Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this math problem. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for your support. And so let's go to the solution. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video and drop a comment, please. So I'm going to make a substitution here, guys, to solve this problem. I'm going to say cubic root of 17 over 3x minus 10 over 3. I'm going to say this is equal to y. If this is equal to y and I take both sides to the power of 3 here, this one will go with this. So common denominator here, this is 17x minus 10 over 3, and then this is equal to y to the 3. So I have that this is 17x minus 10 equals 3y to the 3. So 17x is equal to 3y to the 3 plus 10, right? I'm going to say this is equation 2. Let's say this is 1, right? Actually, I'm going to say this is, okay, let's say this is 2. It doesn't matter, actually. Let's say this is 2, and I'm going to bring the next one, which is the first one. I mean, I'm sorry for inverting this. So now I have 3x to the 3 here, plus 10, which is going to be equal to 17, and this is y, right? So let's say this is 1. So now let's put them together. So I have now that this is, let me write them like this. This is then 3x to the 3 plus 10 equals 17y. And now let's write this one here, 3y to the 3 plus 10 equals 17x, right? So now I'm going to say 1 minus 2, and this is going to be, so this is 1 and this is, okay, this is 2. So this is going to be 3x to the 3 plus 10 minus 3y to the 3 minus 10, right? And then this is going to be 17y minus 17x. So this one cancels with this. We have 3x to the 3 minus y to the 3. And then here we have minus 17. This one will come negative here, positive here. So we have then minus 17. So, okay, let me see. Minus 17. Let me see this, guys, because I think I made a confusion here. Is this going to be minus y and plus? Okay, so this is actually plus 17 x minus y, and then this is equal 0. So from here, we can factor this one here. This is 3 x minus y, which multiply x squared plus xy plus y squared, and then plus 17 x minus y, and then this is equal 0. So from here we can factor out these two here. So we have then x minus y, which multiply then this one here, which multiply this all, 3x squared plus 3 plus xy plus sorry, let me erase this. This is not, it doesn't look any good. Let me erase this one. My pardon here, guys. So now we have that this is 3xy plus 3y squared. Look, okay, let me just erase these parentheses because I don't need it right now. And then plus 17 equals 0. Okay, cool. This means that x minus y is equal to 0, and this means that x is equal to y. This is pretty important. Now let's have a look at this, guys. 3x squared plus 2x squared. 3x squared plus 3y squared, if we apply the identity of the inequality identity, we're gonna have that this is always gonna be greater than or equals to 3xy. Okay, so this is always going to be greater than or equals this. Okay, cool. So this is then positive, right? This is always going to be positive, and 17 is a positive number. This means that this whole expression here is always going to be greater than 0, not equal to 0. So what is interesting here is that x is equal to y. So this is what we're going to use. So I'm going to pick the first equation, which is 3x to the 3 plus 10 equals 17y. and then I'm going to replace the value here. So I'm going to have 3x to the 3 minus 17x and then plus 10. This is equal 0. So now I just have to work on this. So 3 to the 3, I'm going to write it as minus 12x minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. So this is 3x, which multiply x squared minus 4, right? And then minus 5x minus 2 equals 0. And then from here, I have that this is 3x, which multiply, this is x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus 5x minus 2, and then this is 0. So then we have that this is x minus 2, which multiplies 3x squared plus 6x minus 5, and then this is equal 0. So then we have that our x minus 2 is equal 0, and 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 is equal 0. So x1 is equal to 2. And here we have that, solving this one here, guys, I'm just gonna put the solutions here because the video is gonna get too long. But this is quadratic equation. You can use whatever method you want to solve it. So I just solved it, and I get minus 3 plus or minus 2 square root of 6 divided by 3. Okay, so that's it, guys. And okay, that's it. If we want to check our solution, we can check it, guys, but I don't think we have the need to. But let's just check, guys, because maybe some people will say, well, you didn't check the solution. I think it's a cool practice to check the solutions that you find. So okay, let's say then we want to check this. So x is equal to, right? So this is going to be, the right side here is 3 times 2 to the 3 plus 10, right? So the right side is going to be equals to 3 times 8 plus 10, and this is 24 plus 10, this is 34, right? Okay, cool. The right one is 17 times cubic root of 17 over 3 times 2, and then minus 10 over 3. So this is then 17, which multiply cubic root of, this is 34, and minus 10 over 3. This is then 17, which multiply cubic root of 24 over 3. So we're going to have that this is 17, which multiplies cubic root of, this is 8. 8 is 3, 2 to the power of 3. Go with this. So we have 17 times 2, which is 34. And now we get 34 equals 34. So this is correct, guys. And then we got 34 equals 34. So thanks for watching the video. Please help me, guys. I want to monetize this channel till the end of this month. If you want to help me, please help me. God bless you all. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.